Ebi byabaho mu rutamo rw'ishengero rwabaho erizoba kandi rwayebemberwa omuhwezi wa speaker w'empanura z'ishengero Right Honorable Thomas Tayebwa. Omu rutamo oru Minister wa Kampala Kyofa Togabye yashomera ishengero ikihandiko ekirikworeka ebirungi ebi Gavumenti ya National Resistance Movement ekozire omu bwire obuyamara omu bwebembezi.
Over the last 39 years, Uganda has witnessed socio-economic transformation indicators never seen before, guided by the correct philosophy, ideology, and strategy of the NRM government, which enabled the economy and society of Uganda to go through 5 phases since 1986. And these phases of recovery are: 1, the minimum economic recovery, phase of restoring the aspects of the small colonial enclave money economy of the 3 C's, that is coffee, cotton, and copper, and the 3 T's, that is tea, tobacco, and tourism. The second, expanding that enclave with more production of coffee, tea, and others. The third phase, Right Honorable Speaker, the diversification of the enclave economy. And the last phase, where we are now, Right Honorable Speaker, is the knowledge economy through the production of vaccines, the automobile industry. These measures have enabled, Right Honorable Speaker, the economy to grow.
Abanyishengero abitwagambaho nabo basima obusinge okutungura eby'obushubuzi, okutungura obugabe bw'abakazi n'ebindi ebikozerwa hansi ya Gavumenti ya NRM.
Abakazi bakabaterwa, abana babeshiti bakabatashoma, bakabihingirwa bakiri bato, hakaharuho okubonabona kw'omukazi. Konka President Museveni wenka, His Excellency owamanyira omugasho gw'abakazi na NRM party. Mbwenu ni celebrating nyowe n'abakazi bagenzi banje hamwe n'abasheja baitu ahabwo kuba NRM ekamanya omukazi.
Itwe nkaba mbende nitusima Gavumenti ya NRM finally kutwijuka ekatuhayizoba nkeri ahabwo kuba numanya ngu entandikiro y'orutaro ekatandikira kabamba kandi ekyo kiriyo wanje. Twine kabamba yo kubanza na kabamba ya kabiri. Kabamba ya kabiri niyo ya mbere twahamba no kureta obusinge obo mwihangeri.
Abanyishengero abo rubajo rukakanisa Gavumenti nibajangu hine bitakakozwe kandi ebiri by'omugasho.
The NRM government has stayed in power 39 years, but the occupation in Luwel district is 44 years. But nothing has been done to better where the skulls of our people are. But now you're going to Mubende to celebrate 44 years. For what?
Omuntu wa burijo utakubasa sente zo kuraguza, utakubasa fizi, urukutambura haruguto rubi aze kuzaguza ki because kuzaguza to kuzaguza Gavumenti ekabaho. Nozaguze bikorirwe yo nkomuntu.
Okujaguza kireki na hasandeji ebirabiro na mukago kukubanza kandi mukore mukuru naija kuba muri Kasambia omuntu Mubende omujenyi mukuru natekatekwa kuba His Excellency Yoweri Kaguta Museveni gasha kwa Jime Muhumuza.